Hello everybody, welcome to Modi's English class, and today I am starting an interesting chapter. What's the name of the chapter? Letter writing. Let me ask you one question to all the students, all the viewers. What's a letter? What's a letter? Suppose always our students are baffled by certain questions. What are the questions? Suppose I ask a student, you ask a student, what's the difference between letter? What's the difference between report? What's the difference between essay? The answer is one word. There is one word answer difference. What is a letter? What is an essay? What's the report? So, one word answer. What is that one word answer? Let me answer. That one word answer is style. There is a change of style. So, a letter is different from report. A letter is different from report, and a report is different from essay. In which angle? It is the angle of one word, that is the style. Then what is a letter? What is a report? What is an essay? One answer. All the three belong to the category of written communication. Written communication. So, all the three belong to one category, that is written communication. All of you know what's a letter. So, letter you can say it's a written communication, and letter is divided into two types. Let us begin. Begin the letter, which is always a problem for the students of every standard. So, standard 3, standard 4, all the students are facing a lot of problems in writing letter. What's a letter and what are the types of letter? So, start. So, letter, there are two types of letters available, and let me write. One is informal letter. First one is informal, and the second one is formal. What do you mean by informal letter? So, informal letter, you know, this letter is always written to whom? It is to relatives. It is to relatives, to known persons, or to your family members, So, that is informal letter. Informal. In informal letter, what is the example? So, the example is personal letter. That is called personal letter. So, all the personal letters are written to the family members, relatives, and a known person. So, that has a different format. And what is the other letter? That is the formal letter. And formal letter divided into three types. And what are the three types? Let me tell you. And the three types, you know, the first one, official. The first formal letter is official, and official letters are written to whom? It is to officers, government offices. Example, it is written to collectors, tahsildars, BDOs. So, this is the letter going to the official body, that's why it is official. What is the second category? The second category is business letter. Second category is business letter. Then it is written to whom? It is to business people. Who are the business people? Those who are in the corporate, those who are in the company. You write letters to the MD, you write letters to the managers, you write letters to the firm. So, that is business letter. So, second category of official letter, you know, that is business letter. And the third category, that is letter to the editors. Letter to the editors, that is all related to newspaper, reporting, presenting public opinion, all these things. Now look at the line. So, what's our chapter? Our chapter is letter writing. How can you write a letter in a better way? The best answer to know the format. let me tell you the format of the personal letter. So I am starting first, the personal letter, the format of the personal letter and how a personal letter starts. I will tell you the format, then you can write it in a better and convenient way. Suppose this is the page you are writing, and how can you write a formal letter? So suppose this is the page, and in this page, formal letter, all of you look. So here, that is right side, place. Right side, place. Right side, date. So this is A. Place is, A. And date, B. That is B. And here I write C. Here I write C. What is? That is known as greeting oblique salutation. Greeting oblique salutation. And here I write D. What is that? That is body of the letter. Body of the letter. Then what you write here? Left side, that is E. That is E. That is known as subscription. Then F. F, signature, short signature, okay? Signature or name. Signature or nickname. Then G. That is the address. That is the address. Now look at. So this is all about the informal letter. This is the format of the informal letter. Look at line. So A. A stands for what? Look at the word here. A stands for place. A stands for place. And B stands for what? Date. You have to simply put a date on the right side. And left side of the page, what you are writing? C. What is that? Greeting or salutation. Example. How you greet your brother? Dear Anup. So, how the greeting is? I am writing here. So, the greeting is dear plus nickname. Dear plus nickname. Suppose you write to your father. How can you write? Can you write to your father nickname? No. Dear mother or dear father or dear brother. If your brother is elder brother, then you say dear respected elder brother. So that's why greeting or salutation, that is dear plus nickname. Then body of the letter. You can ask me, sir, what is the language? How many lines there? Very important question to all of you. So body, here, simple language. Then how many lines? Obvious question always asked by the students. Sir, in personal letter, how many lines are there? Yes, interesting. So always write 12 to 15 lines. 12 to 15 lines minimum. So this is the minimum of lines required to complete body. Then how many paragraphs? In the body, you can write 2 to 3 paragraphs. 2 to 3 paragraphs. Why paragraphs are written inside the body? Because you have 3 ideas. Suppose in the body you are including 3 ideas, definitely 3 paragraphs there. 2 ideas, then 2 paragraphs there. After body, what is the next point? Subscription. That means thanking you. Yours lovingly. I am giving one example. Yours lovingly. Yours lovingly. Yours best friend. Okay, so that is known as subscription. And what is F? F, nickname written here. Your signature, full signature not written, that is the nickname. And what is G? That is the address. To and from. That is the address. So left side here, from, you write, and here right side, to. So this is that. So this is the complete format of a personal letter. Let me give you the format of an official letter. Okay. How can you write one official letter? And there is a slightly change of format in official letter. Just give me the official letter format. Look how the official letter, and here maximum things are done in left side. So first in official, look, this is the format of official or business letter. So common format is there. Fast coming from oblique sender's address. All of you look, what is the first thing in official letter? That is from or sender's address. What is the next one? Date. Second element is date. What is the next one? To whom you are writing. To whom you are writing. The next one, salutation or beginning. Yes, here before salutation, here you have to mention another important thing, that is really subject. That is really subject. What is the subject of the official letter? Then you start salutation. Then you start salutation or greeting. Look at the format. So official letter format, first you know from or sender's address. Next one you know date. Next one coming to whom you are writing. Then coming subject. Then coming salutation and greeting. Comma here. Then body or content. Body or content. And what's the language? So here you write all formal or official language. Formal or official language. Formal or official language. Formal or official language. Then coming closing. Then signature with designation. Signature with designation. Then you can ask me, how many words there? Yes, very interesting question. The body can be how many words? So this is the body of the letter, and in body how many words can be there, or how many lines can be there? It is again 15 to 20 lines. 15 to 20 lines there. 15 to 20 lines. So minimum 15 to 20 lines can be there in the official letter. And this is the closing. Yours faithfully, yours sincerely, you can write here. Then signature with designation. Designation means, you know, the title of the portion, the position of the portion. So here, this is all about letter, and in personal letter, there you write a simple different format is there, and in official letter that has another format. If you follow this format, that letter gives you good mark, and you have a good composure, and you are presenting a good letter. Thanks everybody for watching this. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.